That was close. Oh, I'm stuck.
You need the
I'm stuck.
American Jeep to come and rescue you.
No.
Can't do that.
Ready? Go.
Look at that.
1,000 litres.
We've never actually taken the TRX's mud in, so this is going to be a first for us. Always wanted to though.
Ready? There you go. How deep is that?
Take it in, find out.
It's a water buddy. Ah, look at that. It's a beast. Your turn.
Go on and through that bit as well.
Here it comes. Yes. It's coming. Oh, there's a log there.
Yeah, done it like I did with the cheetah.
Okay, let's go around it.
That's getting deep. Go on, go again.
I'm trying to get past those green logs. Oh, there's one. It's a submarine. Not there.
Oh, that's not so bad.
That's not so bad. Come on that way then.
That's what I'm going to do.
You got to load the logs out there once you're getting stuck.
Oh, my body's going to float away. It's not as heavy as yours.
Hey, that's getting deep there. Oh, he's got wet.
I mean, I'm stuck. No!
Serious? Oh, please get stuck.
No, I'm stuck.
Come on. Come on.
There we
You
go.
can't let the
Come on,
Americans
come on.
beat you. Come on,
Ah,
Landy.
we're good.
Oh, yeah. Steady on. Right, I'll follow you through. Go on. Go on too hard. There we go, come on. Hang on, here we go. Oh, look at that.
I didn't realise Jeep made a boat.
Hey, mate.
If anyone's getting stuck, it's
You need
me.
to Spartan, I got a TRX4 boat. Oh, decent video here. That's what he said.
Really?
What's wrong with your driving?
What's wrong with your parking?
Right, put it in low gear then, see if you can tempt yourself through. Come on.
Alright, low.
Low gear.
How low can you go?
Oh no, you need to move off. Just run out. Do you need a push?
No, we're good.
You good?
We're good.
You got to avoid the bottom of those poles, I think. Ah, see if you can get out here.
What? There?
No, here. Yeah, laughs at me.
Right, so we're bringing it out here, yeah?
I ain't even got
Yeah,
the
bring
other
that,
one.
see if you can get out.
Got a puncture on the back.
Gaff up your one. Don't go down to the other one in there, Bill. They're floating that one. Come on, you need to get out.
Oh, that's right.
Go on. Oh, he's moving. Come on, that's it.
They're caked.
You need a push. Need a push? Come on, come on.
I haven't got tyres anymore, I've got slicks. Oh my god.
That was close.
Oh, he nailed it.
Nailed.
Oh, it's powering through though. Freewheeling like a trooper. That's getting deep. Straight up the other side though. Powerhouse. That's how it's done. Here comes the Jeep. Oh, he's losing the body. It's going swimming. Go on, straight up.
Okay. Oh, your body's coming off if you do that.
Oh, I'm stuck.
You need the
I'm stuck.
American Jeep to come and rescue you.
No,
You sure?
no, we're good.
You sure?
We're good.
Gotta be giving in.
Get out of my way, fool.
Oh, you're not axialing up that hill, are you, B?
I don't know what you're on about.
Flat, wet tyres, wide, doesn't matter. Where's that back tyre going, mate? Is that close to the
You're
end?
good, you're good. You got about, it's getting close now. It's tipping. No, no. Oh, you're going. You're going. You're gone.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Oh no!
oh no, you're gonna have to go
Hand
get
to
it.
God.
Go on.
Don't you? You'll be following me in, I'll tell you.
Oh gosh. Somebody flip me. Is your alternate good for my motor? No, it's definitely not turning. Just don't spin your wheels at the same time. When we all be splattered. Okay, what's up with yours? Oh jeez.
Yeah, get out of the way.
Doug, you know. Oh no, 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 stop, 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 stop. There we go, you're even backwards as you like. Oh no! Yeah.
Oh, nailed it.
What are you going there, buddy?
3S brushes system.
Nice. Has the gears lasted alright under that, yeah?
No, I had to upgrade it to fully metal.
Fair
Oh, it's
play.
also...
Yeah,
Fair
that's
play.
good.
yeah, diff locks don't
It's got some power on it, innit?
The def locks don't work anymore now.
no, they're, I just put them permanently.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah, I have to get 3 new servos first.
What, you've burnt through 3?
What?
You've burnt through 3?
Yes.
Jesus.
Yeah, this thing's been, I have it for 2 years now.
To be fair, that's not bad, is it? 3 servos, yeah.
Yeah.
Died again.
Nailed it.
Is that what we call it?
Oh, I did nail it. What would you call it?
I'm calling it Mr. Axial.
Go on then, show us how it's done.
I'll show you how it's done. You're going on nice and
Have you
slow.
put racing stripes on that?
Yeah, I know. That's good.
A Bumblebee
Go for the
Jeep?
Bumblebee.
Oh my god.
It's a bit wet there now, so see how you get on, please.
Oh, those tank tracks are struggling.
Oh, you're alright. You just need another route.
Yeah, you got to find the best line, haven't you? Oh.
See, that's not Axial, isn't it?
No, I'd call that
That's
Mr.
using low
Axial.
gear, that is.
That's Mr. Axial. I have no tyres anymore.
Oh, nice. Disconnect it, buddy. Keep burning. That's it. That smells beautiful, doesn't it?
See, I've got no tread and my car still did it. Oh no, I wasn't
Come
looking.
back.
Oh, I can't see where I'm going.
You're fine.
I'm
Just
gonna
put
have
on
to go
full
round.
right and come back. Right. That's left.
Yeah, I know. We're good.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. Right, down here.
You're going into the muddy.
You're not allowed to go through the flags. That's cheating. You got to go down that.
Coming down there.
Yep.
So you're hoping to crash, are you?
This is how it's done, like a champ. See, look at that. Beautiful. Go on, Bumblebee. Nailed it.
You're not going to catch me out with your dodgy driving. Is that tractor lending his wheel?
It's a snack. I got to turn my reverse up.
Can't do that.
Go on. Oh, he's whacking out the axial, is he?
The battery's gone.
Seriously?
Yeah. Do you know how heavy this thing is?
Oh no, get out of my way.
Oh my god, it weighs a ton.
Oh, are you serious?
Is yours gone?
Yeah.
Quick, grab it.
No. I don't know if it's actually dead though, because it didn't seem like it was.
You hate me.
James. We do not play these games.
Footage.
Hold. Oh, I can't.
Grab the bumper, because that
Oh! Oh, I can't get it. Holy crap.
It's heavy, isn't it?
It's a bit foamy.
So you got things, so I think your throttle's a bit waterlogged. It's on, it's just...
Wow. That's beautiful. Full speed ahead. Oh, shizzle my nizzle.
Doggy fizzle. That's high gear.
These things are absolutely filthy now. I mean, as far as mudding goes, they're not, but as far as we go, they are filthy. Bumblebee over here with his new racing stripe has absolutely killed his battery.
Yep. Full beans in high gear.